In the 60s, one man tried to change everything. King ظاهرشاه. He had a dream to modernize the country. He installed democracy and opened up the nation to the world.
In his businesslike office at the royal palace, Mohammad ظاهرشاه lays aside the pomp of royalty and devotes himself to affairs of state with the direct simplicity of any wise, modern chief executive.
His wife, Queen Humaira, was a modern first lady. She dared to appear in public without a veil, shocking many in this conservative Islamic country.
J'étais un privilégié à l'époque.